Consider what it takes to build a Cummins engine. There's technical design, engineering, advanced manufacturing, workmanship. But perhaps even more important is you, the Cummins customer. Because it's only by fully understanding how an engine performs for you in real-world situations that we can make sure we provide the best possible products, and also ensure that Cummins engines meet all applicable emission standards throughout their useful life. Hi, and thanks for considering heavy-duty in-use testing. It's a very important process. It enables Cummins to better understand how our emission systems are working in real-world, everyday settings, which helps Cummins keep our customers' engines running optimally, while also protecting the environment. But we understand you may have a few questions. To start, is this going to be a major disruption?
Yeah, there's concerns when someone's going to take apart your vehicle and put test gear on it. There's always downtime associated, but they were very good about covering the cost of the downtime and making sure there was no damage to our vehicles. It was pretty seamless.
I was concerned a little bit because of downtime and delivery time, but when it happened, when they came and did everything, it was quickly done. Everything ran smoothly.
They were just making sure that everything went like it was supposed to. That way I didn't have no downtime or anything like that. It didn't affect me work-wise and stuff like that.
The last thing we want to do is cause any inconvenience to your business, your operators, or your customers. Yes, we will need to install test equipment on your truck. We utilize a portable emissions measurement system to collect lab-grade field emissions, but our team will work around your hours and your requirements for the installation. The system is comprehensive, and the installation usually takes about 3 to 6 hours. Often, that means our team will work all night to install all the test equipment after hours, so your truck is ready to go the next morning. So, what's involved in testing?
They showed up on a Friday night, started installing the gear on the truck. Took a couple hours to get it on. Saturday morning, we brought in a driver. They ran their test, came back, read the data was good. They took it all off and they went home.
The Cummins technicians were very conscious about everything. Where they could set up their trailer, what time I wanted them to be there, what time I wanted them out. If there was any limitations whatsoever, they were super great with the guys when they were here doing their final setup in the mornings.
They were just asking pretty much if they would be in the way or what do they need to do to make everything easier, but everything was perfectly fine.
2 hours before your truck is scheduled to go into service for the day, our team will return to do final calibrations. The actual testing is performed during a typical workday and does not result in any difference in the operation of your vehicle. Your driver simply operates the truck as normal. Most tests are completed in a day, although sometimes a second day is needed due to calibration variations or inconsistent measurements. After the testing is finished, we remove the test equipment, again without disrupting your workflow. Now, some customers wonder if these tests are required for regulatory reporting. The answer is yes. The EPA and the California Air Resources Board jointly select engine families to be tested. Then, manufacturers like Cummins recruit customers and conduct testing using portable emissions measurement systems. And the results are then submitted to CARB and the EPA. However, these emissions results are for Cummins reporting only and have no negative impact on your company. Also, as a way of saying thanks, the Cummins team will provide incentives that work within your company's gift policies. This can include gift cards, credit at the distributorship for service and parts, as well as Cummins hats and apparel.
I would say if Cummins calls you to test your trucks, you really should let them because it's only going to make their product better for us in the future.
Yeah, I'd say it's a win-win situation all around, and they educated me a little on the system and how it works and what they do.
They had a good plan put in place to be able to mobilize as quick as we were able to let them in, and it worked out.
A member of the Cummins team will be able to provide additional information about the testing process, equipment, and incentives. We look forward to working with you and appreciate your help in making Cummins engines the best in the business.